If I ever cook chickpeas from scratch, I make a big batch and then I would use it in hummus, salad, soups, etc. This is all what's left from a big batch I cooked probably good 10 days ago, and I'm going to use it now. The aubergines I peel, not necessarily remove all of the skin, and then I cut them to medium to thick slices, I would say. Lots of salt on both sides of the aubergine slices, and I would leave them in colander under some weight to drip the excess of water for at least half an hour. Half an onion would do here, so I fry it gently. A good amount of garlic here. So a couple of potatoes in the kind of large long chunks here. So garlic I would fry for no more than a minute, and then I would quickly add a spoon of tomato paste. A teaspoon of turmeric for a gorgeous goldy color, and immediately almost I would add one fresh tomato here. So I would cook tomato and the spice for a minute or two, then I would add my chickpeas along with the liquid. Potato go in, and at this point I would add khmeli suneli, which is aromatic, mild Georgian spice. You can add any spice of your choice or none at all. A modest amount of Aleppo chili flakes to my liking. The fried aubergines should go in together with potatoes at the same time, as we just need to kind of steam, cook them half submerged for about 20 to 30 minutes. First, I just fry a couple of tomatoes, which I cut into thick slices. I would use them for decoration. I never fry aubergines. I promised myself that I will never fry them because they just sponge in oil in huge amounts. A healthier option would be brush them with plenty of oil and in one layer bake them. I always amazed how much oil they actually take in. Watch aubergines carefully. We want nice goldy color, so that should be enough oil, not too much, not too little. They burn very easily, by the way. Doesn't matter if they are not cooked through at this stage. The slices of aubergine go on top of the potatoes for the 20-30 minutes of gentle simmer. I drizzle some cooking liquid, which we do not have much actually in this instance, on top of the aubergines, and close the lid. Last but not least, we need lots of lemon juice here to cut through the oiliness of the aubergines, so about half of that large lemon juice will go in as well.